Hello, this is Jim Tech. It's just going to be a quick unboxing and walkthrough of the Google Chromecast 3rd Gen. And this is what the package looks like here, which is quite similar to before. And on the front it'll have YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Google Play, Facebook, Chrome and Google Photos. So you can check all these out straight from your device onto your TV with the Chromecast. And this is just what the package looks like here. And we've got 1080p, HDMI and so on. So let's check it out and see what it looks like compared to the last iteration. So we have the unit here itself, we have our plug here, we have our cable here, which is pretty decent and long enough, and you have your get started guide and be safe labels here. So compared to last year, this is fairly similar looking. However, it hasn't got that glossy finish and it's smooth here with a matte black finish, and it's quite smooth indeed. It's like a big tablet, if you will, and it's got no magnetized back on it there. So that's all there is really to it there. And on the bottom we have a reset button and our micro USB there, and that's basically it. And this is for plugging into your TV, which I'm just going to give you a quick demo of now in a moment. So once you plug in your unit, you will pick up your smartphone, and we're using the Google Pixel 3 XL there. And as you can see, we're already integrated into the system here. We have a speaker there, which is actually up beside the TV. So what you will do is then you will press add device, set up new device, and you will go to set up new devices and go next, and it will start searching for the device there. You'll see there's a number on the TV there, 4002, and once you get that set up here, we can see now on the phone we have set up Chromecast 4002, so you'll press yes, and we have Y5B4 as the code. So it's going to connect. So again, speed may vary per your Wi-Fi connection. So the code is the same there as the TV, as you can see. So you'll press yes, and help improve, we'll just say yes for that, and we're just going to put in bedroom for that for now, and we can just continue on there like so. And our Wi-Fi connection is on the top, and we don't have to sign in because we're already signed in through the phone, which is handy. So you don't need to re-enter details and so on. And there you can see now that it's updating, and it's linking the Chromecast through the phone there. And let that update first of all. And it's almost there now. Again, your Wi-Fi strength is imperative with the likes of these streaming devices. So we've got 100% update there, and we will press next on the phone, and it's telling us now that it's restarting. And it's given an update again. So on your phone it'll come up in the meantime, stay up to date with the latest features and so on. And we have our Netflix and so on. I mean, just go on like that, and it'll just continue to update from there in. It's a bit monotonous, this process, but this is what you're going to have to go through if it's your first time to use one. If you've had one before, you'll be familiar with the setup. So there's a couple of new features involved here. It's telling us here that it's going to take 3 to 4 minutes to update. I've seen a lot of people giving out saying you don't need a remote, there's no remote control with this, which I don't see really a problem, because you can use this while it's working as normal and continue to use it without it cutting out. For example, like particularly if you're using YouTube, you know, if you go out with something else, you'll be knocked off. It's not the case with that, and it will just continue to work. So it's still setting up there now, and then it says finish setup in Home app, then get to know your device. So when you open up the app, you're going to have it set up, and you'll have bedroom TV here, and as you can see there, we have it playing there now with YouTube on it there. It's pretty quick indeed. Notice no lag on it, and you can then change volume from the handset, which is excellent. Stop casting and so on, and as you can see there, the volume going up and down there, no problem at all. And then if you go into your settings, then you have separate settings there. You have your name, home, bedroom, language, your network and so on, and all that kind of stuff. And it's pretty simple, and the quality is excellent. And I love this remote control idea here on your phone, and you can get out of the app like that. As I said, you don't have to you won't lose your whatever you're watching once it's cast into this. And as I said, some people are giving out because there's no remote control, there's no need for one here. I don't think, as it'll still continue on as normal. You can still use your phone as you would normally. So that's just a quick look at the Chromecast 4th edition. Very nice, excellent quality, faster than before, and simple to use. Talk to you next one.